I have meat here and hey guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing fine. I decided to share a few things here and there what I've been doing this whole week. This is a weekly vlog, so guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let's see how this week will be, and nothing but positive vibes, okay?
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking.
I'm boiling meat here, and I have a few grocery shopping which I want to put in its respective places, so let's do that. So guys, from over here I have tomatoes, I have potatoes, I have onions, 2 garlic, veggies. Yeah, I want to wash these one and store them. So guys, I'm going to start by washing the tomatoes.
Here is where I normally store my potatoes.
I love these ones with my chapos and rice and mashed potatoes. These ones.
So guys, I'm washing my green peas and then I'm going to boil them. Before frying my sausages, I already boiled them, and then I'm using shallow frying method, which is so good because the sausages will not accumulate a lot of oil. And also I'm using low heat, so I'm going to let them cook as I do other activities. My sausages are well cooked and ready. After this, I'm going to boil my green peas. I normally boil them for 10 to 15 minutes. I don't like overcook them. And then after that, I have my meat, which is over here, my meat stew, which is cooking. I'm going to have this one with my fries. Yeah, and I've already even started eating the fries.
So these are the sausages which I've been cooking. It's so yummy. Hey guys, how you doing? How have you been? Happy new week. So guys, I've been doing a few activities here and there today, and I felt like why not just share something, you know, just share a few activities for today, a vlog. So here you've already seen what I've been cooking. So here I am boiling. I have meat here and and here I have green peas, and here I have green grams for supper. These ones. So you have these ones in the evening.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to store my tomatoes in the fridge, and then this is how I normally store my ginger. I wrap them in an aluminium foil and then just fold it so well and store in the fridge, and they last for long.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic.
So I'm loving my nails, guys. I did these nails on, when was that? Last month, and you can see they are still looking cute. They still look so cute. This is the best glue I've ever used, and I'm going to show you because I'm the queen of plugs and it's so affordable. So next, I'm taking you guys to, as the minjis continue to boil. Yeah, they are boiling over here, and I think they are almost ready. Not yet. So I'm going to hizi kuku zinapenda tu kukuja kwa nyumba. Let me show you. The chickens zinapenda tu kukuja kwa nyumba. Hello, Mrs. Moshane.
The next day.
So today is another day, guys. I decided to undo my braids at home. I've had them for 3 weeks and I've been scratching my head so bad, and I didn't want to stay with them, so let's unbraid them.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high.
6 hours later.
So this is the beef I got from Clean Shelf, and I like how they cut them into smaller pieces. At least they have eased the work for me. So I'm going to store them into smaller portions. I'm going to portion them into my storage containers and then store them in the freezer. So I'm going to show you how I normally store them. The meat is for only 3 people because my kids don't love meat, but they like chicken. Yeah, this is how I normally portion it into smaller portions and then store them in the fridge. Yeah. So I had glass containers, but they broke. So I'll be using these these plastic containers until further notice, but they are so good. They are so effective. They fit well in the fridge. This is how I normally organize the fridge. I love these storage containers. As you can see, they are fitting so well in my small freezer. Yeah, and down there we have pork, we have green peas, grams, we have githeri, we have the beef, I have my bones for my soup. Yeah, everything is here, and this normally lasts us for 3 weeks. Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Hey, today is on a Saturday and I'm taking you along with me as I go and have lunch in one of my favorite hotels here in Nairobi. I'm having pork chops and fries. Cheers to that.
Anywhere you go, you belong.
The next day.
Anywhere you say,